when he raised kingdom penifo nyina meche obia awurade nhye obia Abraham Bemoshe CSF president Mama Kate US Canada Mr. Usu Nana Usu US nyina amaka ho na hini kase etumpo ekoso awurade nhye obia meche freedom fighters mrantie nyina ebi afi no join the program no share link na yankodi ni nkomo share link no me pase edi nkomo ya bon nkomo taw sesi ya I think say abufusem bi koso wo Ghana ha na mo na Ghana mpanimfo na de na me hu ne se na omonim sem biya timabufo anase ye mabunu no ombetimi adimi ya akwa kwesi awiye but inshran kanya nkopon se ene mabunu ne mrantie maba wani nyina obiya ni ba ne so obiya de so ba ne so yeni nkomo me wa hanne anwumre because of Ablante friend Kwame A+. Mene Kwame A+ ni yasem but waka asem na me ene madwen kwa mene ne nya adwen sara me metie meba nam so ba betina madwen sara metie me wa because of me ankasa me wofa madie nyina Mr. Hobson Adoye Mr. Hobson Adoye Honorable Hobson Adoye metie oluma da bibia la wo tie me na wo hweme oluma ya kasabat me wa hasema tire ne se ne nsanka ye bi wo ha me wo ahi mene ne nya adwen ana Ernest Usu bempa ye frame aboa apapo one abronye kwa me bafu boni I think say ye nyina ye nim san kofo ya mabo omudin ebi nam Ghana ho aye yi pa ebi di wallet walasa afanya nsa kwan so aye yi wo Ghana ha ena kom dibi no mo ye nyina ye beka ya ye nyina ye nim enche ye na ekuo bi sore wo Ghana ha no mo a ye from freedom fighters me wo ahi meka hu bi menua Abraham Bemoshe oka hu bi Captain Smart oka hu bi okatatia free farmers aka hu bi ye onipa bebre Tri Jonas mu nyina meka se omoka hu bi ye trust hu se nya ba bi koso wo Ghana ha no mo a enye na ense emfatata sa niema no ekoso because eye niema bi omde adi na afena ye nyina ya dwen eba ya no so momi araba bi Ghana atete ya kwa akoduru Ghana ase ya kwa akoduru na before se meto amensanka ya so me ka se mu ya kire wona yetiem ni ye heme benim se ye wo MPP for platform yi so ye heme and ye wo NDC for platform yi so ye heme fix the country and as freedom fighters yani MPP for nkontokwa and yani NDC for nkontokwa yani CPP for nkontokwa and yani any part bi nkontokwa o Ghana ha but yani ye bogus leaders and anyantokwa yani ye bogus leaders and enya to be a functional dream. This is the reason why and say me kasa me say yenyi MPP nsinchan yenyi NDC nsinchan na afa yen kasa ne nko yadum ne yemie ne yemamu na yenhu sabe wona ye kan to Ghana ene wona ye di atro Ghana ha oda say fix the country mrantie na say freedom fighters mrantie sorry last week ni mu akoye demonstration after demonstration nachi ana Mr. Hobson Adoye and Ernest Usu bempa e petition akoma IGP say leaders no mu di fix the country na me yam frɛ wo mo na yam question wo mo me kasa asem we otumi mu atre Mr. Hobson Adoye Ernest Usu bempa Ghana ha wo obi antumi mfa police and stop obi a wo Ghana ha wo and we are waiting say mudi enipa ba ku say abekwa ko gina court and yebehwe e wo Ghana ha sabe impredi ya sampani fo say so ba ne nkwanya de na se yentimi nsete ne yenka no krankyere no a enti entrantri mu no yentumi nka na so ba ne nkwanya de na se yentumi nka enti enkyene antri mu no ye kan eneyi ana Ghana youth akanya no atmate na mpanimfo na di aburo asayen Ghana youth akoma no atomate ena mpanimfo atenase asai wo man na di wo man ni sika. Youth need to fix the country. And also fixing the country, you said, you see your money. You to see your money, you fix the country. And this how you are planning out to Ghana, Hannah, and someone you to make and say, wouldn't say, and yes, I net any woman. Tell me how I want to say. O problem, they say, O Kodan, they say, what they say, what that they say, afraid here. Modi petition come IGP. More party as a constitution member say Ghana hano obi ni tumi so kasa. Wani ya maboni ya koso no. But sabi obi o tumi so odi o man ni sika. Me bisa question. Ghana ha obi ni tumi se bibi se ya oka. But edu abatu amre dia. Obi o tumi so de koto aba. Mudi agro. Mudi agro. Missy Moody Akro. Mamma finds some magic, sabi. Moody policy will be you. We are ready. We are ready. Yeah, ready. So, my yatima sabi, a Jumani were my name. Yes, sister, madani asawo for by force. Amonamono. And not me who oba sabi we on munyamfo say even wale Ghana president and keye or wale sabi his royal majesty otumfo an keye sabi wale vice president empo an keye obekọ Vienna city no gina ho obedu Vienna no gina ho no oba sha wonye ska bia so no charge you just 100 Ghana city because so wa anya ne sa de tia e de no obedie. So I nearly saw the atia, a dear obedient. You to Mrantian in us that Adania Crom for Stammers, you know, go my way because so I nearly saw a dear obedient. It's in the youth ring in the air address. Yan treat to unquack on the bone, so your laptop near see a demo, you had by your juma because of bogus leaders. Because of bogus leaders. Na me kan sam we atre Kwame A+. So we nipa obeye nyino yimino. Obeye hia yehye. Na ahoye a emfa nipa nkosi we bia. Upe nipa we di county group wo Ghana ha. Youth group wo Ghana ha. Kwame A+. Wasi a friend TPP. And Kwame A+ akwatre UTV say ane self fix the country demonstration of koye you know e jogging keke no koye na ye frɛ no no de sabe san kwase asem no ni atire wo kɔti TPP o de na so nyam kwase asem Kwame I respect you because I tell them no share of Afrikiko me personality the way I sit here no but one medu hu ya pa Omo medu hu yaw dan ha ye onkofo bi ho no mo a e kom di wo mo no mo kasa but wo mo mi wi a ye nkasa biem dan ha no mo ye wonkrofo bi wo dan ha no mo a e kom di wo mo ye poso te se nkraman but ye di wi a ye kan ye no atum e bi ni Kwame A+ otra Ghana ha na ami soja gu NPP fo so soy soja gu na do so time we ye kwa election ena de ene ma tane Kwame ena de ene ma tane ena de ene ma atane osem na ntiere ko jogging o medu hu ya pa Kwame o medu hu ya pa na sa Ghana woni pa bi tise Kwame A+ ya o man ye nko yanim da yes sa Ghana ni pa bi wo o man wem tise Kwame A+ sa Ghana ye ntumi nko yanim da yes ya te Ghana na akoti group see your friend TPP yan supporto Kaya atina awudie ni niema boni ampani ka sansam we nyina Kwame di kan dwene o man ne ho ansa no wadwene wo yafuru ho silent ne yanko yanim dwene o man ne ho ansa no wadwene wo yafuru ho ahoye a awo mu tiase anya na wo lidi ya no entu wadwa Kwame nka asam tro Kwame sa wo mu a enyama o na wo firi mu a entosini ana sabe wuntimi nkwasa pan mu bia to Ghana ha sa wo ye campaign amasa nipa no ebra ye wo mu yi youth ni ya sorry ana han kwase ya sabe kwaso wo Ghana Wonu Ernesto Usuba mpet me any audacity authority te Ghana hakasa to meet your petition the kokoma IGP so on ko arrest will be so on invite will be how na sabi ye kama bia krono start free ya anka ya parliament na start free ya ye kama bia mradi aduma ka ya parliament na start free ya ya company for best and 9 Fourth Republic wana ya solidity o mine si ho a amukon ye na sabi ye youth ya se ye yanko na mom ye de ya no abakasa anone kire se ya creating tokwa I think that Ghana ye hwe ya mpani fo bi kura na omon ti ase na omon masua no ekura ntresa ye so omkotra parliament because yenim protest and yenim demonstration. Sabi ultra face the country demonstration. Emranti ani koye yenwa. Enye protest no mkotrin yo. Nemom no eye trewa Jamaican say eye demonstration. Shalen kedi yanko yenim. Eye demonstration. Enti sabi mpradu ya sa wuntimi nkonko traba bi nkonko ye bosremuka propaganda matrasi mabekase IGP nkonko ti wobi and we are waiting for IGP so what didn't sabaka ni paba ku say sabi wakoye demonstration yante Ghana ha ye nyene frefra na nadu danko akufuado before so be na nadu danko akufuado okoye kumpre demonstration When the stop no, when the police got in, sabi at Ghana ha, yen demonstration do to across Ghana ha. Why say you to non quad yen affair the masore? Wait some nipa baya moye. Wait some nipa fu amoye. Na wurade ba tuam kasa ne university ya. And the so busu ba mpati minya no kasa. Sa abura ne we at Ghana minya no kasa. Na ya ba ma hena nim ni tri asa abidjan fu okube. Wano aburanya before sana na dan ko akufuado sabi o baba yo mampani nyire ni aburanya wu aburanya okwa bro ahafu hono mo a na ne dan krani ensimenti mu sabi ne dan no wona nkra na edam ne dan no wona nkra na edam and look at the way you come police for Ghana police for ma police for ma mo nwile no ho Fix the country. Somebody Ghana haniema papa na moya anka yakunu. Musole mu via o man sika de Europe to akase empanimfu atem bone aburo ne baye na asamoma. Aburo eni baye na asamoma. Aburo eni baye na asamoma. Just Ghana empanimfu ya nwene o man ni mu ni pa bia. Yes, for the year pet and ye, dear your 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 pet and ye. Yes, Missy me can some way, or be to me for police who don't know be our Ghana. Mr. Hobson Adoya. Brother Professor Mills, the late Professor Mills, or tries to change the Ghana constitution, you know. My won't pay for me, I'm not Ghana, I come, I'm a pebiano, Mutimidia Katia, Mupebia, come a Katia, Sabi, and now Ghana yetie ye mu teachers wo baako. Ghana yetie ye mu teachers wo baako. Na nka okwabra ni ba sori say wo pese wo ye billionaire dey teaching work and I say wuntimi nye teacher na wo nye billionaire. Hey! Where ye kasa wasa woka? Ase wo kandifu asabe mprediasa. Teacher ni na atra wade am obaye nipa wo ye. Ase sabe mprediasa. Bema teacher ni wadira teacher ni anim amana tra nwoma ansa na obaye ne wuye. Utimi kasa so pese wo ye billionaire dey teaching work. How? Mama yahumu tuo yahumu papa yahumu papa ba me ka semboyi demonstration ni be continuous kwapim se be hu sama sesam subai demonstration ni be continuous kwapim se ye be hu se mo satira mabrabo mu yampanimfu awudifo aye ne moto o mayiwe mu pa mu yampanimfu awudifo papa Muyampanimfu awudifo papa. Yes. Muyampanimfu awudifo papa. Why? Oma block account ramle munyai. Oma block mo block. Oma block mo de munyai mo block account nyahwe. But ye be kasa. Sabi yate Ghana hanu no obi anka sa na na abesa Ghana o yenim sa Ghana sai fitin kuruma breso nemu munya ni ye because munya ni ye be ye munya ni ye because munya ni ye be ye yate Ghana hasabi mpanimfuo enim nyansa ne yanwini nkwa atirinti mumye hwe enkwara so le ye tete ya friend sai enuase esuade enkwala sori ya yetete sabe awiam na esuade na nka panimu de ye hu ye nka wo ye ne ma papa na ya baba trasa ena edi ya ni 100 cities na ye fancy national cathedral national cathedral ya de kwa hefa wanti mi amunu nyansa ni di 100 city amfa nkosi sabe school dai aman kolan tratremu amfa nkosi hospitals aman kolan tratremu wa hu nyansa kwa di 100 city saudi kosi national cathedral na mamin kasa montraw Ghana shias ya bafoma agu nyina nya osofo usuba mpane ne nkofo na za sofo a wodo mte Ghana ha na ama Ghana asai Ghana dani abutu Ghana aguo no sukusi asodan asodan de kwa hifa na wane katra o sabi mprediasa wo ya de asodan mu ne yero bako akoto wane katra o sabi mprediasa se kom de wo a o kwa asodan ni mu oba me minister MP president vice president finance minister mami misa question se wo ya de ya aya asodan mu na ya konye ya hwe wait say my dear dem tim say ya dum bone enya dwempa eya bayi adwen enya dwem papa eya ade ya dwemfi enya dwem papa yes yan kwadi 100 cities near fan conquest national cathedral na menim ni po betia saskawi sai pa na we jimi fo pa Sani panaw ye dimi fo pa. Say ya kwadi 100 cities. Ti sadie we ya finance minister de ba bon tribeka ye. Wada gire ho. Finance minister me bisa o Mr. Ken Oforiatta, I respect you as my father, as my uncle. But what gire ho? Si en kwadi 100 cities. Chairman, Mami misa question me say O sorry aya na komode wa ya wo yare ya sabe ukọ abrotre kwaje ayare se no ada na ya nko so fo usu be mpa so dem wo enkwaje ayare se asori da yesisi Ghana ha nyina nyame wontimo even nyame wati abusumfie klase ya so dem nyakopon wati abusumfie empo esna asori dem na wo panimu a wote Ghana ha wo panimu a wote Ghana ha na wo se wo dia wo no bosumi yase na wo kwaju obi 100 cities na wo dia kwa kosim National Cathedral Antoine ma be kun ni wasefo nyina tati my bot wo be kun ni wasefo nyina apa pani ayanta bobo abijan so kwadifu ansuo ebe kunu wasefo nyina mu ya udifo a monyene nkwa atire mu ya kwakwa ahwe kwapo akohwifo mpadimfo ya no motegana ha kama sole samo kokatre IGP asa anuntina mkofa IGP we de ne bai and we are ready to face him. We are ready to face new IGP. And we are ready some before we did not go to Ghana has said, we acquired demonstration said, you best say constitution. Yes. Constitution mu po ya best sano. Mo de mo pa mun kum ye nyina. Mo pa mun kum ye nyina. Constitution mo ya dan. Constitution best sano. Because constitution mu jina so di bone. Constitution mu jina so di bok kronododo. Constitution mu jina so na kwase ne ma na mo de ye. Ministers mu nya pie to wuro. Akosibura samomadodo. MPs ni ministers hey mu nya musuba tantan ne kronono. Me ba wi asme sedam te kwan ka be konmo durawu. Eda ba bonte se ya kwadi 100 cities. And you can see National Cathedral. And I'm saying, Buradi Yankopon. My boo fear. I didn't say, I said, I was way. Ya Konya Kwadi 100 cities. Minister Sabi wouldn't mean answer you quietly. One to me, and you say, and Colania baby, you see, and yet. Kaudian Sabi, Sikaron, the young candidate. Never cook Kumasi G. Fako Kumasi G. Ayarifu nyampa naso. Fako Kumasi G. Oxygen nini ya maniema sabi ehia monfan konkoto. Uko si National Cathedral. Are you dumb? Say National Cathedral. Ayade kwa yedai. Asawo fo mpadimfo. A National Cathedral no sabi emu na ye kwa Cathedral na ase kwa yedai. Me bisa question. Emu ni ye Cathedral ana National Cathedral dia ne de koye. Me bisa question me say ya de kwa koye dan. Ghana mpadimfo atay. Ye ne mudai. Yenya mudai yahumo sabi mpradu ya sagana ejapade nya obi ade o na smart tafa ena maye wole atoto so mudi bi atche mo mpenafo ena mudi bi ama mo yire ne mo manom mudi bi atche mo mpenafo na mudi bi ama mo yire ne mo manom awurade betua mo ka sani emunyuma sitiye wo panna wo tigana ha kwaje 100 cities dia kwa si National Cathedral na wo yade asabe unkonkoda ho na obesa fu man nisika dia kwa US akwaje yarehwe dia kwa UK akwaje yarehwe wo so tanda and crash mu ye nipa bonefo ya de mu di man ya ni mu enya yie yes. De yema hiya mabufu kranse haniama asofo te Ghana ha ye boni asofo di no Ghana ha krono asofo bo no Ghana ha se me kwa kwesi National Cathedral wo de koma ho na be ya so de wom Enadi Nanado Bedane Swafuo. Nanado Bedane prophet. Nanado Bedane pastor. What a wow. What a wow. Sir. Sir. Mama Uradian Nunoso about Ghana for papa. Nankopo Tosroa. When Nuni was about Ghana from Padim for papa. Because Ghana from Padim for meaning correctly. As I would have the trust and what it answer, dear goody padas and eat him or Cabra need him. Ghana Padim for no, Yamo Munyans and Ibi. Minini Yamo Munyans and Ibi. Bankadiamu yen come on yet. Now I mean say after face the country demonstration I'm quiet na fias was nega kasa was said I ya sorry yen no penyalia nyumre o dwan bat sawo kwasi aba tutu ni Jimmy Fuasa be sabe waton wo twade ama Ghana mpanimfo Jimmy Fuaba tse wasa be sabe mprediasa o sorry akna my chance mu na odidie abuafunu o sorry alo pa ye nye makeups betra camera mu sa ne ye hwe wanim masa ye mo obi akwa ma ne medimi ntire obi awo because Ghana knew obi a Ghana knew obi a na wa fias was ne gan kwa de wo nkwa ni pa mbeto wasase su anka wo sabi sabi kama kumme ho sa akọ ba bia me firi baaye because we no trust as so a eguni pa kra ni mu ase so we no trust as so a eguni pa ni mu ase wo de wa ye hu afu bohe me yanko no mo nsam o mo petition o de kokma IGP yanko ti o mo nsam o mo keka no siafo abuso afo mo shale nkini yanko yanim
Captain Smart said,
Moyo, Sako, we didn't want to turn me yan with Drew.
Captain Smart have what it takes.
It's no good to mono. I see no more petty.
Mr. Hobson, Obiano Pescadu or Ghana. Mr. Hobson, Miss Obiano Pescadu or Ghana. Obiano Pescadu or Ghana. Mona Madi Ghana Sika. Mr. Hobson, I am telling you today, someone about Ghana Sika. Obiano Pema Ghana Sika.
Face the country and say whiny Oliver. They say face the country and say whiny Oliver. They say face the country and say whiny Oliver. They say face the country for leaders. They say any leaders. They say more than more leaders, no. No. They say me what same job, they say me catch them. Me I be diba. Asante for the me. Pray for the me. Me about why the cat me no. Na me get friend get fantini. Oba dey me change no. No you was any. Yankara Fono, Yanfa tribe, and dividing a whoopio. Yanfa politics and dividing a whoopio. I come the song. I come the also. Then besides, I will the woman near Sana Comato. Then besides, I have been near Sana Comato. It is some question of the time. Yankara Iran yet. It is a same as the Kanayu. Yakono, the Bishia, the Kokumasi. The Kumasi, I got Tamale. If you wire the sample, if you wire got a grade. Obia demonstrate TV. It was a young year. Now, William, Susanna, was here on Fourth Republic. Now, first 1, 2, and 3, no. As soon as one is saying, no. Yeah, no, Bebuno, your voice. Fourth Republic, Bebuno. Was Fourth Republic a corruption republic? Fourth Republic, a 419 republic. 419 republic. It's a Fourth Republic, Article 71 republic. You are baby. Second constitution, you're dying. New constitution for a new generation. New constitution for a new generation. Nobody believe. No, Mama, I know. No child want to buy play, but I ain't independence. It's a say I don't need independence, no. There's a new Ghana. It's a say new Ghana. New Ghana. New Ghana. New Ghana. New Ghana. New Ghana. Thank you.
Okay,
Abusiafo. Munti asɛm a Oliver kan ya enti. Akoto pressure. Ade ama mpanimfo yi a ya throw petition. Mumi ente Mr. Hopson ale.
Article 3. Sakase. Obi biara obetu sa emra yagu. Anase eku omobeye omadwene se omotu emra dagu no. That just say omo abumra so. Ye do court. Na se yebua o for just say asukwe wom ni se esisi ekum. Na ya de ya momba eze bekum obia. But once I was buso, Mranu says, Obi attempt impo, and just what two a book ago. We attempt a pussy ubetu agua, Mrana no bidi. Sabi, say a bay, and Uncle Mahama yet a yena, a bufa to buy or topic as my say. You go to tuning in a moving in a move, and you bubu now say, fix the country and yatuasi. Adia Batoso, come and go mashasi, Obi a yakaka. And you who say, let me fix a country because the maybe I hear you, and the president and Nambono Wakobuno is Wako northern regions in Adiade. Yeka say almost every day, Biano or commission project. Leaders no Mudia Dimono, a Yesika no Mupedi. Let you know, Moyesa. Women so me say I benefit opposition. That the opposition for to discover the moment, someone Monamonye, Yanuntia no Moye. Yet we are here to explain to Ghanaians. Myanmar, now Ubi are you serious? What is your first country at MDD? What did you?
We must abide by laws. So if you are fixing the country and you are the same people going out there violating the laws of this country, this is totally honest.
Yeah. So. Oti Ghana ha wo kan kratire wo mo no. Na ye de atro kwan. Dane Ghana fo na dwen. Dane Ghana fo na dwen. Se obi si wode na no be say constitution a on declare wo Ghana ha. So obi si wo be kasa amma sabe mra sabe men kan say ya tu constitution agu a on declare wo Ghana ha. What declare wo
Acceptable. So we have written our petition to the IGPA. We believe that the IGPA will know that is going to take this up and let the law take its course, so that those perpetrators or those people who made those comments, leadership in total, will be brought to justice. The leadership are here, obviously, because of COVID-19 protocols. We cannot bring the whole group of people here. The leadership, myself and my director of operations are here to present the petition to you.
Okay, I will see you for.
Right. So, your friend say, and that's also been panel. One credit says, we say, even at the other cross, you know, dear. Now, some poison me. Sir, and that's also been panel. Me said, you listen and you dear. Now, some question what come for. San kofo we ne nam Ghana ha wone abronye bafo. Mesi Ghana your problem o. Ni probably say Kwame A+. Chama wuntumi abronye Kwame bafo ene hwan sa ene so usuba mpa we. Ghana hia se ne Ghana fombo nyina da. Edina wo so. Afuba hefo. Ya sori ya de nan ne yansa ene didi se ye nto mo sori aso after wo mo a. Atroni kontompo na da bia defended niama enim ne yesori ya yeka eniama yemfa yeni hu ye ne sori ya ye defended obenya na 2 TV so no akwakotena no akekan kwasiasam owia ontua teko ontua sampoa no wasori no akọ adimi fuwa wicked leaders na me fa kwanya iso na ma bone media say oh man we say UTV for ka ho bi Adum TV for ka ho bi DH1 for ka ho bi Atenka TV for ka ho bi Angel TV for ka ho bi mo so le munyai say mo so MPP for ni NDC for so mo de atro ni na da wura ni pa adwe mu no edi ni pa so no na mo ka ho ni ye bre Sabi ya boy ya no see ye ko fix the country demonstration Obi an fa people nkwa to UTV o Obi an fa people nkwa to Adum TV o and Obi an fa people nkwa to Angel TV but look at the way enkofo si baye media si baye trese Obi a pempuntuo de niam papa me because of sabi nkwasi asema enkoso nti this time me sorry no pa me UTV me NG TV me Adum TV because me say ko ha de me ko sua ho ya tro ni nkontompo de enim propaganda anori ade me ko akosua sharen kene yanko sharen kene na mu media swon kwasia fo mo te Ghana ha ne me sai ne me tia ni papa nim sade yekoyi enya ni papa nim sade yekoyi egu ekura ni gu ekura ni sai kroni hiase ele Ghana dani Babylon ahia sia manne akochifu asofo ni awudifu asofo na age wo man na boso ne politicians wo asori aka bom ene he look at the way you come a police for ma anobati asidi ai police ni ba we yakunu wa ha anobati ase police ni ba we yakunu wa ha anya ni boy na be kuna an Roberts for the kuno anya Roberts wa na wa share ho akomfo wa share ko ho akomfo a na wa no maduragu because of bogus and bad leaders bogus and bad leaders yekum ni pasa o maya sabi mpradiasa dia mpanimfo penisa youth baye mabo ni asesere ni afafa modua ni adie na nipa behu ya daga so ni abada bonten ene Ghana mpanimfo na nkobi nkwatena buretre nkonko bran sam na nimu mfifure fan toka magana obeduru ya wanti ya tia duty mero ka say 2 cases iguma nimu ha kofo ka say free you asaba no lady baako osena na meka tema portu mi nyeska mfanyi ena say da onso mojo say one car Hyundai Elantra one car bia Tema Port aid demanded 170,000. Where is 17,000 Ghana city? So 2 cars here say. Tell me bisa say. Say cars omu demand 17,000 Ghana city. Men can say Maku 50 begu Ghana ha Tema Port. Iya si ekoyi na baku bia nipa ni ntia 17,000 Ghana city ya. O cheke ye say etientimi fanya adwuma mani nye yi ana. Masa ultimate down kwasia office no kwasia esinimu mane man kwasia gen pia wante meka jimi sam ntire obi a Ghana ha wale kata sa Ghana e wodia wo so the constitution ni ya aduma no ana ultimate trase kofa just 5 Ghana city koto abaya aduma e fo akatua so na odi nyansa at the best 5,000 Ghana city ato wakatua so minum ye no ha na esisifuo what your constitution natural say time up be na ya make say ubetumi ato wakatua mu by teachers what here constitution no and cover omo sabi constitution ni cover Ghana mpanimfuo but and cover yen yes yes no ya yew yasi yansisanwa yayawo The bizarre question. Yasi yansi sanwa. You do a camp. Adam mama di pe bresa. And again, I'm no kasa nsuo to aye wa mane, ye nya mane. Nsuo to anto ye nya mane. And I'm no kasa yi hwekwaya nsuo afa so yi fa Ghana fo. Kwasia bia wanted the make na say about throw comment. Are you a strange so yi fa wo mo? Holland strange so yi fa wo mo. Nsuo yi fa wo mo. Tia so nsuo yi fa ye. Wa bra sabe prediasa. What did Almighty dim constitution in Timu Aqua de Bosia, but what the Bosia Bible? One farmer yaja padia, one farmer yet pie, one farmer yet gatas, one farmer see schools, one farmer see hospitals. Would you call your Pietro? Since a constitution, Obiado attempt. Send the constitution, Obiao. And I say, yes, the Yamaba constitution, Obiado attempt. Mo kasat said mo didi amon no mo nkwan mo kasat said ye mekọ de jirejira ma dwini mu tirimu eti asisi mu tirimu a na mo kan kwase asam ani kwasa mo ka na mo kan mo asam ani kwasa mo ka eti yate Ghana yes ofa no ena ye mo fe yate Ghana yes ofa no ena ye mo fe. The bizarre question. Yes, so far Ghana had the yamude. Make out like Ghana and putting for matter petition. IGP. We are not fighting for MPP or NDC. We are fighting for youth. We are not fighting for MPP or NDC. We are fighting for youth. And then have a cement here, Drew. Yet Ghana. Yet cement back 50 Ghana city. Shall be a fuel, Adru. Yet Ghana. To fuel. Just 1 gallon. More than 20 Ghana city. Shall be a diesel, Adru. Shall be a gas, Adru. Yakasa must be Yankasa. And at the time come a youth will be able to be seen in him. 5 years time. A Caribbean was starting a bravo bet me in town. Yes. A Colombian to be seen in town. Yet Ghana, yes, Papa way. Muhammad, you are Mr. Ibrahim Muhammad. Or yes, meant. Say you did politics back 2010. Near Bua Papa, near you and this way you end this ni. TMV. Or yes, meant to Ghana. Are you cheap? Now the cement is your papa. That's why you end this in you end this in Intino. You promote na any year. Yet a Ghana have possible Kodosapo. Then you know, the Abamusa Ghana from Penny for your broya by Pusa for the say. Yen. And you might apostle Kodosapo Yan Ghana ha. Papa Yanim Yafedi Yen being. Ya try ama papa na worry na sabe ya tisa big pass. Na ya di yankwasi ya pai na trotro adansi ye koti kobre mai ni ya kwa kwa jina sa ya kenkan tribute concert di ama papa ni sa wa ye wei obeye o ma bi twase ni wate uye ni papa ni awurade betia okasa ni university ye adempa ni utirimu nti mu ba wun kwasi ewu asa because mo ya di tum so anya yi say ya di tum so anya yi. Now, Rahusam said, every year, be a papa niyama or year or demonstrate here. We invited President, Vice President, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo, or Chehene, Amwete of Folipenny, Chief Imam na itin temi unu hoda. Ghana penifom bebre. Nipa otimi ya order talk and tanka cast more. Ayo Otumfuo. na Ghana for sorry ye Jimmy Ghana for penny for sorry ye Jimmy nti almost say ye kwa di bank loan na ye kwa da V8 Land Cruisers the ama parliamentarians for ministers ne MPs no ka dia mo se na mo nkoje na nka mo meka se ye de koma apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka onye made in Ghana cars ni bi mfama ye pe ma 100 na ministers ni MPs no entrate mo edie na nka efe na enwonyam wo mu se oman bi so mampani beba Ghana na ya Ghana mampani na nado dan kwa Kufuado what made in Ghana kema na say what apostle Kojo Safo ka ibi mu die na efese adien na efese adien na nka efese na so there big da ana Ghana mpanimfuo bi asabi yan to aba ma wo mu na ebu o man no ne yayi na nado dan kwa Kufuado na ye to aba ma no yayi na sinchai melo kasai amanbo abatoma process nyame ya aduma 5 months to 6 months time ba omia na be president of Ghana ba omia na be president na nipa medini hu ya pa ba ko so Ghana ha Dr. Ba omia vice president odini di ba omia na miamia nkofo miamia nkofo kan nkofo tese wa miamia nkofo mfiama nkofo ne by force fi se mi hu won kan no kre da no kre on kan bi da fi se mi ti Dr. Ba omia din from the year 2012 I'm court papa yi kasa ese papa we nyansafo papa di ho aba no yi papa wa se nuanom ntafo ani monyam o papa wa yade papa wa maye awurade nyankopɔ me praise papa me hwɛ the way patient kitana o dada pipai o trasia satam etatuchika tabisana samwa o yi ano nam se man yi o ye wise man sanu obedi yawu sanu nam nyansa kwafu obedi yesika sanu ofa kwati kwaya ba be mia ya kuye but ye hu ye nimsa sama make MPP for ba kan kwase yasem wa I don't care and I don't give a damn. I don't give a shit. The mania hu na me hu yi make na ba omia enya kwa be vice president ya kwa wa ha obekona enya no kre yes school wa ha obekona enya no kre ye ko biye hospital we ya no obekona enya no kre $80 to them still not dollar need than say ya no so dollar intimum still not dollar need than say ya nipa one kind of crab akwa Ghana as vice president ana honorable Kojo upon Kroma me tira Ghana for say sabi sebo obi anu ahu na so awurade amani nyansa ne adwea onfa mu mai yamfa ho fe ani school ngoma ene bu mai yati nyansa ene bu mai honorable Kojo upon Kroma so sorry asem ya babo Ghana biala o ho anu yi o ho ntiremu o information wo ho nanso 419 nipa bia ni ho wose papa yi won kan kura bako no kura pa de no kura on ka bi sei kan kura bako Yes. 419 kwa. And a Minister of Education. Papa ya obdina be. Minister, me bisa question you. Before say Minister of Education me say, yes, onwuma so. Ani etam di bra ne de ma. Na me bisa o. O tra dua so ne suya de. O tra awiam ne suya de. Say te sa de ne won kwaso. Sente sa de ne ma dem fa due. Due ni amane hu. Due. Ani amane hu. Because of mo born any my dream born into one. Mo tete parliament wa na mo da. Obi timi ja ma camera na capture na be huna anunsuo etnefa ri hase ya. Say ya. Minister to parliament, MP to parliament. Benya da dia be restia na jo. Osoria obutwa so 24 hours. Kwata parliament anu oda say ya. Ghana mama ya bregu. Ghana mama ya bregu papa. Mama ya bregu. Temo sore na mo ko. Krobi ti sa China. Krobi ti sa France. Na mo kwaje busia ya na mo ni ngumo ho. Aya na mo mfere. Aya na mo ni ngumo ho. Aya na mo mfere. Mo jisi kan wie ya brofo no de ma mo kwa mo se ajankofo ma jimi o. Ye nya Ghana nank ya tena so just 1 year. Ke best Ghana ne beta ne Ghana. Oti ukromu gold nie, bauxite nie, mangan nie, timber nie, cocoa nie, prekese nie. Obaje bosinya wa. Obaje bosinya wa ha. Like seriously? Obaje bosinya wa ha. Ni etumi ya ne sama ne yiye. Ani ne ya bregu. Se etumi ya ne sa pa ma ne yiye dia. Ani ne ya bregu. Se ne ya bregu. My WhatsApp number is 0549377750. 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 WhatsApp number is 0549377750. WhatsApp number is 0549377750. Hey! WhatsApp nkwa na obetumi afre me o frɛ me normal call a mentumi mpeke wa ha ti Mr. Mo mo frɛ normal call mo frɛ WhatsApp call why obetumi afre WhatsApp call Yeah, no Marco. Hello?
Hello. Okay. Okay. And see, I bought a gas factory. I bought a gas factory. Omaba say, Omba Chuku Milo industry. So, since a mobile and so, years you order. Hello?
Meet you, power, Henry. Meet you.
Hello?
Meet you, power.
I will I boss to Western Red Takwa.
Takwa.
I'm going to say, Omba Chuku industry. Since then, omo in program, omo share some more videos, omo boa. Omo de kan na kwa na be boa so omo wie, eso omo boa.
You see?
Eso gas factory so mo wie so omo yin so omo wie se omo de tweko industry omo wie so omo boa. Omo wie ye prepare the say so e ha so a ono so can say so e ha so a yen sense you I understand mine. So omo de so for so be ya no mo haye pa say you here
Radishraw. So I'm sa omo 419 na meka ho asem se. Omo 419 na meka ho asem se ho. Yankopon to de beto ho. But your WhatsApp call na betumi afrɛ me. Em frɛ no ma call. Betumi afrɛ 0549 37 7750. 0549 37 7750. Betumi afrɛ na nso aba na yedi nkomo. Ghana mpanimfoɔ. Me say mo pɛmu mpɛw. Constitution ya bɛsesa no. Obetumi afrɛ no aba so, betumi afrɛ no aba so, betumi afrɛ no aba so. Hello? 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 Odini baby akasa free wa hene. Odini baby akasa free. Ani diem kasa. Ani diem kasa.
Hello?
Kasa kwa ni nya mitio, akwa ni nya, takwa kwa ni nya mitio pa.
Boss,
Mate wa hene. Me WhatsApp number is 0549 37 7750. Omse takwa kwa no. We nyina so ma di ma mo frɛ no ma call dey me ntumi mfa wo. Hello? 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 I need you to baby akasa free. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
I need you to baby. I need him Kasa.
I'm waiting.
Kasa.
Okay. Okocho. Na ade di kan asama won kan ayeme de pa. Na ne di kan yamin shafa. Yeah. I'm person make us to see ya wo ya de ba de attempt plan na nchi sisi e wo ya pan for na o mo twin sa. Tie na ekoso. Na de nso na o mo twin na mo afa ho. Adan na mo ko YouTube nisa. Omo ku ye. Adan. Tie ko si a wo bo bi am no ne wa kasa si ya. Am pe o so what is system good years.
Your friend say MP ni diri say boni din. MP ni your friend say boni din.
Your friend abo ba fo wa.
Kojo ba fo awu a he fa sunya ya na sa hen. Oh, he for sunya constituency e he fa no sunya he fa.
Yes. Oh, Sunya West. Sunya West and I also so. Nya she ana manche wo ko de na obo be hwe o mo kwampa ahonte. Ebi je se obi biara ni jumadi biara odi.
I see.
You got for no security any ati. Am you to say photo. What also system good yes, you won't say.
Awurade nhyira bebre. Awurade nhyira. Ena Ghana saw party a pa. Ghana has saw party a pa. Eye wi ena nsa apio. Ame hwesemenhu maame yeboa. Na nso ofre me pa. Omema oba panim raso bi na. Amekasa. Maame yeboa. Frɛ nebra brasubi. Okay.
Namin show no do not see a warrior or Ghana, mind Adam.
I rather shout so.
Next year when you were a chief for you, make sure when you are chief for you.
Biajo so hema, biajo so fire ni anko ye ni fire power ni anko.
Ghana you got to me demonstration. Na Ghana paying for almost any more day. Obu sisi yenye omodei. Omo pesa obu ma pesa IGP kwati che omo. Mwasam ne kwasi asem eno mudi no. Mwasam ene kwasi asem. Mo fix country, mo so mo fix country no. Mo kwacha habo kwasi asem. Abroche for the nyama be go ya pese e me yuti ye duma ye. Na mo so na ma fire, ma tax fire ni o ma so. Omo go for dam papa Ghana pay for. Omo go for dam. You know, I'm so funny, so when young was just now, I'm to Ghana on a Mudina. Why are you watching it for what reason? Yeah, peaceful demonstration.
And to Quincy, Obian Kobobi.
Peaceful. The whole way the priority will be that. Only be there, Sagana and quiet, yet. You have to make a demonstration of Bia and the Quadiancy. I'm not the papa. Yet you won't run through you. Only true when you are about so. And yet you don't run through. You don't fight that or something. Ghana,
c'est ça so dia ya base sano omo po omo po ya base sano dia jansa kas omo se sabi di cha asofo no asofo no ye mo omo bi na omo ton
yeah.
Everybody shall be able to obey to your friend or basso. Friend a bra. Friend a brasso, bra.
Went to your family. Yeah, senior wine. Good evening. Went to your family call. Let's meet our message. I got the Ghana for. I got the MPP now. MPP for Omunyai. Sa is Muno Mudi. Omunyai is Muno Mudiano. And to me, you must send your money. But I say, come in this for the Parliament to know what you know. Munko at the bar near it has been about a month to be coming. Medino. No one to know face or Parliament, Roman Casadro must say, or mining Koye, or mining Koye. And the Speaker of Parliament, the Bianas Mekasame, can no problem on who is of the political party nearby. Minority Casa, no head eye, and I say, O T, now to shut down, no, he say no. Onya the old channel. Minister for Health. Now some other terms so Parliament. Wow, on my maintenance, no one can say na intimotin free and a conya so or cry. No money in free Parliament. Any bed dream Kakraka to see. Now, first Speaker of Parliament that was on the own team. Was she a god? No, same no. It's Ghana, I break. Get you a cry, Tiaka. Teacher for Ketia, Kitty, nursing training, Kitty. When I do toy and no fair for near the truck at Tiamu. May fire on their belly. More money now. Massimo Tosumino. Can a Japan or Rasu? O man, can a Japan? I suppose you are more good. Say a man, Mitia, Samlinka, be a 9 a father family quarter. Our 2 moody Simuna or Peso, ya, no more money if you are no good charm. They could trust him with now or yet. Parliament where you move for money for. No, minor. You need to. You are shame. You woo. You don't know else. When you need the Justice Douglas and need to go back and Bash or Flemish Bash and Boof. People to have Ashanti region, Afro Southeast. Don't issue yours. Incoming best commentator and home politician.
Okay. Number is 0549 37 7750. Obey to your friend also Obasubi.
Yeah, I'll be good evening. Now, if you have a call here, then I'm yes, me follow Pana. Me cash me now. Oko a year, Metro Mass transport station on the man. Okwasi a year for terminal. So shop if
I hope the hot bones a hot bone crossing your foot, baby. Okay.
As yeah, another issue be me MP Oreku if Japan Brisa. So call off him mind now go Achiasi between him mind and Achiasi. Lord of Cramo, Bonka be pa at Amana be pa at Dahonomono. Nadakura, Kadi be Buremuno, and Yakro, Nippo will be Guno. MP, DC Namosa, Monkare, a term of Biu and Sana, or Menum and Sana, as a check Abidjan down there, regional minister, that book coordinators, Korea Mana, at Dahonomoa, a car for Kaka, you should.
Usafu areho. Areho. Obia ntimi nti obia organ ha wo. Yesi ye de ya no be say constitution no. Ani obia so ntimi enka obia no ntumu organ ha wo. Ye de ya no be say constitution no. Waka control petition say IGP, we are presenting this petition for you to go. Wow. Hello? 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 Would you remember a casa free? Hello? Would you remember a casa free? Hello, Odini baby a casa free. Odini baby a casa free.
Okay, Nadine Kwame, casa free Virginia.
I need him casa. Me patch him to casa.
Aha. Me worries kakra bi ni say. Omo mudi face the country anymore. Omo ka aboa o man my affix o man no anaze omo agenda bi say on be say on be leaders e Ghana me back no. Secondly, face the country ye can you say ya the papa say you nyina ye ha no o man mo ya dey say fix the country no. This time nanado term in kwana ye who say o man no ye anase ya ka boso ni ye kan nyina boso be permanent ye start to fix the country go home adem say o man no e mo ye di ye nya ni but and yet the COVID time in kwa o just because oko other countries are COVID time, you know, the more deal with baby, or maybe a more idea. And the problems now, you be fat and net, and as this term, inquire fix the country, the money, I'm saying, who say too harsh on the government loss or this one. The president is too much on him. Into no, ye never train at him, the ye slow down, ye find message to. So we share ideas because you can force a horse to the riverside, but you can't force it to drink. What you are saying? Good master Ponqua was shoot their own to me, Sanaman. Face the country, no. Giddy, no, no, emfa, a imba, giddy, come and what, please, in Yabutre. Leaders in the dear moon and pessimism who said, on my agenda is all person leaders, and I say, but I think.
Okay. I would sure baby no I didn't say. I say mo. Awurade Nyankopɔn nhyira obi a medine na na osebo nsu hu hi ahane ba bia no kre ekasa Nyankopɔn ya adma henie kase ne besan atena se me kai time one na do dan kwa Akufo Addo ba be dia ebepe president edi Oma ewiase nyina te ase Ghana yetisika so but come there na ni nyina kokowie amamuo bone ene niema pa yemfa mu akwan so sa time na former president John Dramani Mahama and na president so the whole youth was You only papa be say obetimi dey say ye pa ne niamapa amemmo papa be go akwan so dia. Why say ne yam ma ne ma ne enso ne nhwe? Why see yam ma ne ma ne enso ne nhwe? That's the reason why you vote man and out. The year 2016. It is the year 2016. Someone take vote one another nyaya. Never hype. And I'm taking the year 2020 vote with nyaya. Which must say eba from. Just we are tired. Come dear. I will show you. Akram. Otra Yesu ya domo a no num pepepe na ahenye kase na tenase ne yekoye ni mu. Omo amentu yamfo omo course na no mesremu weere mu mfa ncheme. Yesu ya domo ochina. Ebe hwe ne yede ne yema gu akwan so. Awurade nhyira obi a